Hey everyone, Supercar Blondie here, ready to talk about a new breed of car, the luxury hybrid SUV. These aren't just any SUVs, they are the epitome of style, performance, and eco-friendliness. Today, we're diving deep into what makes these hybrid hotties the future of driving. Remember when SUVs were all gas guzzlers? Well, not anymore, honey. The automotive industry has come a long way, and now we have these incredible machines that combine the best of both worlds. They offer the power and performance of traditional SUVs while being much kinder to our planet. Now we've got these gorgeous beasts that are kind to the planet. Imagine driving a car that not only looks stunning, but also helps reduce your carbon footprint. It's a win-win situation. These hybrid SUVs are designed to meet the needs of modern drivers who care about the environment without compromising on performance. Your need for speed. These vehicles are equipped with advanced technology that allows them to switch seamlessly between electric and gasoline power. This means you can enjoy a smooth, quiet ride in the city and then unleash the full power of the engine when you're on the open road. We're talking about cars that can zip through city streets on electric power alone, then unleash a roar on the open road. It's like having two cars in one. You get the efficiency and eco-friendliness of an electric vehicle and the power and range of a traditional SUV. It's the perfect combination for today's drivers, the best of both worlds, right? These hybrid SUVs are not just about performance, they are also about luxury and comfort. The interiors are designed with high-quality materials and the latest technology to provide a premium driving experience. From advanced infotainment systems to luxurious seating, these cars have it all. And trust me, the 2024 Audi Q5 Sportback TFSIe is leading the pack in this exciting new world. This car is a game changer. It combines the best features of an SUV with the latest hybrid technology to create a vehicle that is both powerful and efficient. Whether you're driving in the city or on the highway, the Q5 Sportback TFSIe delivers an exceptional driving experience. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2024 Audi Q5 Sportback TFSIe so special. First, the interior. Audi has always been known for its luxurious interiors, and the Q5 Sportback TFSIe is no exception. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, and the dashboard is equipped with the latest technology. The infotainment system is intuitive and easy to use, and the sound system is top-notch. The dashboard is a work of art, with a sleek design and high-resolution displays. The infotainment system is packed with features, including navigation, smartphone integration, and a premium sound system. Whether you're listening to your favorite music or getting directions to your next destination, the Q5 Sportback TFSIe has you covered. The seats are not only comfortable, but also adjustable in multiple ways to ensure you have the perfect driving position. The interior lighting adds a touch of elegance, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. It's clear that Audi has paid attention to every detail to make the Q5 Sportback TFSIe a pleasure to drive. Now, let's talk about the exterior design. The 2024 Audi Q5 Sportback TFSIe is a head-turner. With its sleek lines and bold design, this car stands out on the road. The front grille is distinctive and gives the car a powerful presence. The LED headlights and taillights not only look great, but also provide excellent visibility. But the Q5 Sportback TFSIe is not just about looks. Under the hood, it packs a punch with its hybrid powertrain. The combination of a gasoline engine and an electric motor provides impressive performance and efficiency. You can drive on electric power alone for short trips, which is perfect for city driving. And when you need more power, the gasoline engine kicks in seamlessly. Charging the Q5 Sportback TFSIe is easy and convenient. You can plug it in at home or at one of the many public charging stations. The battery charges quickly, so you can get back on the road in no time. And with a full charge, you can drive for miles on electric power alone, reducing your fuel consumption and emissions. Whether you're driving in the city, on the highway, or in the countryside, the Q5 Sportback TFSIe delivers a smooth and enjoyable ride. The suspension is tuned to provide a comfortable ride, even on rough roads. And with its advanced safety features, you can drive with confidence knowing that you and your passengers are protected. Speaking of safety, the Q5 Sportback TFSIe is equipped with the latest safety technology. Features like collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control help keep you safe on the road. These systems work together to provide an extra layer of protection, making every drive safer and more enjoyable. And let's not forget about the customization options. The Q5 Sportback TFSIe is available in a range of colors and finishes, so you can choose the one that best suits your style. Whether you prefer a classic black or a bold red, there's a Q5 Sportback TFSIe for you. Driving the Q5 Sportback TFSIe at night is a treat. The LED headlights provide excellent visibility, and the interior lighting creates a cozy atmosphere. It's the perfect car for a night out on the town or a long drive under the stars. No matter the weather, the Q5 Sportback TFSIe is ready to go. Its all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction in all conditions, whether it's raining, snowing, or sunny. You can drive with confidence knowing that your car can handle whatever Mother Nature throws at it. When it's time to park, the Q5 Sportback TFSIe makes it easy with its advanced parking assist features. The car can help you find a parking spot and even park itself. It's just one more way that Audi has made driving the Q5 Sportback TFSIe a hassle-free experience. So whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or taking a scenic drive, the 2024 Audi Q5 Sportback TFSIe is the perfect companion. It's a car that offers the best of both worlds: luxury and performance, efficiency and power. It's the future of driving, and it's here today. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the world of hybrid SUVs. The 2024 Audi Q5 Sportback TFSIe is truly a remarkable vehicle, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for this exciting new breed of cars. Until next time, drive safe and stay fabulous. Let's talk design, because this car is a head-turner. The Q5 Sportback TFSIe has those signature Audi curves, but with a sporty, coupe-like roofline. It's like they took a luxury SUV and gave it a supermodel makeover. The front grille is all sharp angles and attitude, framed by those sleek LED headlights that just scream high-tech. And those dynamic body lines? Pure sculpted elegance. Okay, buckle up, because stepping inside the Q5 Sportback TFSIe is like entering a futuristic spa. Think plush leather seats that hug you in all the right places. Ambient lighting sets the mood, and those open-pore wood inlays? Pure class. But it's not just about looks, darling. This car is loaded with tech. The MMI touchscreen is like having a giant smartphone integrated right into the dash. And the Virtual Cockpit Plus? It's like having your own personal spaceship command center. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. This hybrid beauty packs a punch with its turbocharged engine and electric motor combo. That means you can cruise around town on electric power, saving fuel and feeling good about your carbon footprint. But don't worry, this SUV isn't afraid to unleash its wild side. Need to merge onto the highway or overtake a slowpoke? Hit the gas and you'll feel that instant electric torque kick in, giving you a satisfying surge of power. The thrill of the drive city streets to mountain roads. Driving the Q5 TFSIe is pure joy, whether you're navigating city streets or carving up mountain roads. The steering is sharp and responsive, and the suspension smooths out bumps like they're not even there. And with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, you'll feel confident tackling any weather conditions Mother Nature throws your way. Rain or shine, this car's got your back. Tech talk, because geeks deserve luxury too. Did I mention this car is a tech lover's dream? We're talking about a head-up display that projects vital info right onto the windshield so you can keep your eyes on the road. There's also adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a whole suite of other driver assistance features to make your life easier and safer. Plus, with the My Audi app, you can control various car functions right from your smartphone. How cool is that? Safety first, darlings. Of course, safety is always a top priority, and Audi has got you covered there too. The Q5 TFSIe comes standard with a whole bunch of airbags, anti-lock brakes, and electronic stability control. But wait, there's more. You also get Audi's Presense City system, which can help prevent collisions with pedestrians or other vehicles. It's like having a guardian angel riding shotgun. The green light, why the Q5 TFSIe rocks. So what's the verdict? The 2024 Audi Q5 Sportback TFSIe is a game changer. It's the perfect blend of style, luxury, performance, and efficiency. You get the practicality of an SUV with the sporty handling of a coupe and the eco-friendliness of a hybrid. Plus, it's loaded with so much tech that you'll feel like you're driving a car from the future. So you want one? Here's the deal. The 2024 Audi Q5 Sportback TFSIe is available now at your local Audi dealer. Pricing varies depending on the trim level and options you choose. But trust me, this car is worth every penny. It's an investment in your style, your comfort, and your commitment to a greener future. The future of driving. It's electric and oh so stylish. The 2024 Audi Q5 Sportback TFSIe is proof that the future of driving is electric. But it's not just about being eco-friendly, it's about doing it in style. This car is a statement that you can have it all: luxury, performance, and a clear conscience. So what are you waiting for? Go test drive one today and experience the future of driving for yourself.